Cancer, welcome to the part 2 of your reading. If you haven't seen part 1, you might want to watch that first, and you will find the link in the description box below. And also a reminder that roles can be reversed, can be vice versa. So Cancer, let's continue with your reading. The guidance for you is open up, nurture, and rebuild. Let's see what's that about. Wow, that's a lot. Really? Six of Swords, Four of Pentacles. Wow, I'm seeing a mirroring energy here. We have the Empress, the World, and the Knight of Swords. This is a lot. Okay. So bear with me. This is a lot of energies that I have to deal with, to parse with. So let's see where this goes. What's this about? So I feel like in the past you were very protective of yourself. Maybe you even closed out a little bit, close up your heart a little bit. While you were very careful where you invest your energies, what you were careful, where you put your energies and time and effort, something like that, because you were working on yourself, I kind of feel like. And now here you are here as an Empress. Remember, this is also the guidance for you. So remember, because even if I am speaking in the past, or in the present, for some of you it hasn't happened yet. So use your own discernment when it comes to your own timeline. But as I said, you have been working on yourself, being careful where you invest your energies. And now here you are as an Empress now or in the near future, and this is also the guidance for you, right? So if you are not yet in this Empress status, then continue to work on yourself, right? So, but for most of you, I kind of feel like you are now this Empress. You have gained a lot of growth, a lot of wisdom, a lot of you also were able to realize your own power, I kind of feel like. And because you have grown a lot, I kind of feel like, grown, right? It's not about age, right? So because you have grown a lot, you are now ready to rebuild your life, I kind of feel like. Because in the past, maybe something had changed or something had ended for you. But let me see where this goes. So you are this Empress, and you are leaving the past behind. You are moving forward in your life, and you are not, I don't know, either you are, I don't know, are you waiting for someone? Either you are waiting for an earth sign, doesn't have to be, or this person is waiting for you. But whoever this person is, there's a feeling here that this person is still hanging on to you, but at the same time, they're holding back as well. So maybe this person, in the past, they didn't, they stopped working with you, I feel like, or vice versa. Because, and I don't know, because of that, you became an Empress. Either that or this person was intimidated with you because they saw you as this Empress. That's why they were also very protected of themselves. They held back a lot, and maybe I feel like this person was intimidated, I feel like. So now or in the near future, here you are, an Empress, and you have a choice, and you will have a choice to make, I feel like. And you're going to make that choice. Could be between two people for some of you, and you are going to let go of the one that is not right for you. I feel like the one that you had already an ending with. I feel like because it wasn't your wish fulfillment. It was only meant for you to realize your worth, your value. It was only meant for you to help you realize that you are worth investing on. Something like that. You know, that you know, instead of you putting your effort, time, energy, money, resources to another person, you know, it was for you to divert that energy towards you instead, which is what you did. That's why you are an Empress now. So yeah. And you are ready to rebuild, I feel like. Because in the past, you made a really drastic change. Either you made a really drastic change, or, you know, there was a drastic change that happened in your life. For some of you, maybe you even got betrayed. For some of you, because maybe someone walked away from you. For some of you, because maybe this person, they chose to walk away and to hold back. But you know, as I said earlier, this person, you know, even though they were holding back from you, they also were not totally letting you go. I feel like, who is this Knight of Wands? Who is this? So, in the past, you realized that you knew that something was over, either that, or you realized, or you ended something because you realized that that somebody was not even I don't know, apologetic, something like that. I realize. So I don't know, maybe for some of you, maybe this person, maybe there was a communication. Maybe for some, this is not going to be for all of you. Maybe this person had come towards you to communicate with you, and maybe you realized that this person was not even apologetic, something like that. Yeah. Well, they were not apologetic because I don't know. So I don't know, maybe this person in the past, they came towards you to work with you, wanting to work with you. For some of you, maybe they came back after running away. But I don't know, you ended it with them because you realized that as I said, that they were not even apologetic. Maybe because of what they told you, for some of you. Yeah. So the guidance for you is to, you know, to continue to nurture yourself and you know, to start rebuilding your life, I feel like. So the outcome will be balance. Let's see what this about. Knight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, one more, Eight of Swords. So this is not you. This is someone that you are dealing with. Could be a fire sign, an earth sign, doesn't have to be. So let's see what's this about. So this person, your person, so I don't know, maybe either they were found out that they were not serious in the past, maybe even a player for some of you. Either they were found out, or they revealed it themselves. For some of you. So this person, maybe in the past they were all about passion, they were not about commitment, something like that. So I don't know, maybe they told you that for some of you, and maybe you didn't like it, of course, right? So now or in the near future, I don't know, maybe maybe you are not going to, you know, to make any moves towards this person, even though you want to. Because there's a feeling here that you also want to talk to this person, but maybe you know that nothing is going to come out of it. So you will just stay put and not make any moves towards this person. So in the past, this person, wow, what is this? So maybe for some of you, it became difficult for them to be, I don't know, to be a player, to be a non-committal, to be in and out, to travel, to be in and out of your life for some of you, or someone's life, maybe even to travel. So maybe because of that, they've let go of someone. Could be a fire sign, an air sign, I don't know, maybe you, for some of you. Because if this is about your person, I really don't know. Because maybe this person, they wanted to, I don't know, they wanted to be, could be with an earth sign. For some of you, doesn't have to be either that, or they wanted to have something secured and stable and abundant for themselves, for some of you. But now or in the near future, I don't know, with the balance here, or with the Two of Pentacles here, they will be juggling, or they will be second guessing their decision. For some of you, are they going to juggle another relationship, either that or another family situation, either that or a business, work, for some of you, between that and you, for some of you. But there's a feeling here that you feel betrayed by this. So I don't know, maybe this person, that's what they want to do. For some of you, they want to juggle you, because there's a feeling here, if this is you, right, there's a feeling here that in the past they chose this other thing. Could be a relationship, as I said, or their work, their money, you know, over you. So now, or in the near future, this person, there's a feeling here that they are thinking, they will be thinking about juggling you with whatever that is, you know, that they chose over you in the past. They're thinking about it, they want to do it, but I don't know. Because, you know, because in reality, that is them betraying you. Right? But, you know, I don't know, it will be up to you, of course, if this is you. I kind of feel like this is you, because it is your reading, right? But as I said, you know, I really don't know where you are here, if this is about your person. So, I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you got something from this reading, and see you in the next readings. Bye.